Hi, I'm Saba Wahid, resident chef here at Yale Appliance and Lighting. Today, we're going to talk about the UUNI wood-fired oven. It's a quick and affordable way to entertain in the backyard or just fire up a few pizzas after work. The UUNI is a compact and portable wood-fired oven that can be set up anywhere outdoors and is ideal on a tabletop in the backyard or even tailgating with friends. It has an insulated stainless steel body and uses a wood pellet burner able to reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This offers ease of use and speed, making this wood-fired oven perfect for anyone. There is a learning curve, but once you're up and running, you'll be ready to crank out pizzas in as little as 90 seconds. The UUNI is fired by 100% food-grade wood pellets. It takes about 10 minutes to heat up and can reach upwards of 900 degrees. To start it, you put the pellets in the hopper tray and add some lighter fluid and ignite. As it heats up, the flames are drawn into the body of the oven. To maintain temperature, you just add pellets every 10 to 15 minutes. Once you've reached the desired temperature, you're ready to start cooking. We tested this oven with salmon, mussels, and of course, a lot of pizza. The mussels cooked perfectly and had a nice smoky flavor, something you would only get when cooking with an open flame. The pizza tends to take 1.5 to 2 minutes, rotating every 30 seconds for even heat distribution. We also had some fun making salmon, which cooked very evenly because it seared on the bottom from the cast iron skillet and got a beautiful crust on the top. After you're done cooking and the pizza stone has cooled down, cleaning is as easy as brushing off the pizza stone and emptying the pellet hopper in a fire-safe container. It can achieve such high temperatures that it burns off any food left behind. The UUNI is ideal for entertaining. It's perfect for the pizza enthusiast who doesn't want an expensive built-in outdoor pizza oven. And because it's portable, you can even bring it tailgating. It offers the ability to experiment with all sorts of foods like steak, seafood, and anything else you might traditionally sear or cook in an oven. Just make sure to keep young children at a distance because of the high heat and low weight of the unit itself. After taking about 10 minutes to preheat, you can cook a pizza every 2 to 3 minutes. You can pick up the UUNI 3 for $2.99 here at Yale. It's a lot of fun and is a way more accessible way to start cooking wood-fired pizza.